recently visited a cat cafe in Tokyo which also has a capybara. Capybara is the largest rodent in the world and can weigh up to 150 pounds. They are vegetarians and can consume up to 6 to 8 pounds of food daily. Although very docile, they will bite if feel threatened. They limited the number of visitors per time slot, so the animals feel less threatened and have more playing space. The capybara and the cats seem to get along, well, most of the time anyways. Visiting the animal cafes in Japan is always a fun and unique experience. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.